Say some for the intro.
Oh yeah, outside. This Kobe on the 700.
Yes, sir. So what is up, gang? It's your boy Liz, aka MotoBroo. As you can see, we at the lot. We on my 2-stroke. We got a few homies out here. Oh, okay, boy flossing. We got some homies out here, and you already know we're gonna vibe out. So you got the 150 now.
Yeah, I had to.
You like it a lot better?
I mean, I rode it, what, twice already?
Yeah.
I don't regret it.
No, yeah, I bet.
Yeah.
They're fun ass bikes. Little mini.
I learned how to wheelie now.
You can't wheelie that yet?
I mean, it's the second time I rode it.
Yeah, but you can wheelie the quad, so same thing except you go like this. She's scared to pull it up. You can, a little. Okay. You heard that tune game, bro? I'm not even on the brake right now. I'm not even on the brake, bro. We got homie on the 450. Y'all see his helmet? Supreme, bro. Supreme lifestyle. It's real. Oh! Oh, we get a little swervy. Okay. Yeah. You're like, woo, woo, woo. Yeah. Let's see it. Let's go. Oh. And power wheel in that KX. Hey. Is that a KX 100? Is that a KX 100? Yeah. Oh, okay. Hell yeah. Shit sounds crazy. Well, if you want to ride this, let me know. Yes, sir. Thank you, bro. Thank you. Yes, sir. Let's go. Oh, we got no gloves on, bro. I don't know how people ride with no gloves. Yes, sir. We got a little pack coming through. And we about to shred, bro. That 150 works. Yes, sir. Bro, the 150, as y'all know, is a cheat code bike. It got so much torque and so much power. It literally picks up any gear like a freaking 450. I'll test it. I'll let you shred it for a little bit and then.
We're already here.
Alright, bet. Good, I'll test it out. You said the forks are messed up?
Yeah, the forks, they need no seals. They need to be rebuilt.
Oh, they're a little loose here. Oh, yeah, shit.
It's a little boggy, like, yeah.
It's a little boggy.
Once you're going, it's...
Yeah, bro, this thing feels good. Bro, the front, the only thing with this bike is the front is like really squishy. Feels good. It's just a little weird like pulling up with the shock because it's like it really like shoots you up there.
My gas line wasn't on. That's why it was bogging out over there.
The gas line wasn't on?
She stalled out over there. That's why she was over there.
It was
like this.
Oh, the peak.
Take off.
No, yeah.
I blame him. He turned it on for me.
Yeah, yeah, I seen it.
Turn it on, so.
That'll do it. Bro, I want to get my no-handers are like sometimes I'm like locked into it, like right there, and other times I'm not. But huh? Yeah. Just don't try to wheel it and shit. Yeah.
Well, this why I hurt myself the most. I my arm, then I tore my ACL. Dirt bikes why I hurt myself the most.
Yeah. Just be careful on that thing. That's my baby, so. Yo, quad. See, he's having the problem of not bringing it back. So he's like doing power wheelies right now. Oh my god, put it down. Yo, would I be able to ride your bike? Try it out. I rode this before, right?
Yeah, you rode it like last week.
We're on the 250 RX, boy. Got homie coming in with the quad. Yo, this thing just chills in coast mode, bro. I ain't gonna lie, bro, this bike feels so good. Like, the bars are a little crooked, but everything else on the bike, like, it picks up perfect. Good, bro. I like it, to be honest, a lot. Like, how it's not like too powerful, but it's just enough where like you can do everything. Like, yes sir. Woohoo! Alrighty gang, I hope you enjoyed today's video. The two-stroke, she's still alive. She hasn't blown up yet. But like I said, I feel like that day is coming soon. Remember to stay motivated. We have merch in the description down below. It looks like it's about to pour. Shout out Florida for freaking being moody. But yeah, till next time. Love you gang. Peace.